Hello friends, if the rear of the car takes away at corner or at speed, this is to say that the floating silent block are out of order. Ideally, of course, you need to raise the car and see everything of the bottom. A lot of things affect the withdrawal of the rear of the car. These are tires, crooked discs, wheel alignment, but mostly they are silent block, and at the same time they make a terrible sound. The car cracks like curd. They change a little more different. They need to be pressed out, and when pressing you need to remove the boot of the silent block and add a little grease, as this is usually no lubricant. And when the liquid gets through the fuel during the operating of the car, over time it disables it. Friends, on the channel I have a video on replacing the silent block. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and part like.